Scooter 3, Garrett 3.4, Bruno Messing on Eden Rodriguez 6. Next up, event 13, girls 7 to 10, 15-meter breaststroke. Next up, event 13.
Way over there.
So when I talk about it,
go Eden, go! Come on Eden, you got this, go! Come on Eden, don't look, go, go, go! Eden, go, push, push, push! Faster, go, 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 pull!
And your leader in lane number 5, Bruno Massa. Got the ball touching first.
Aiden, go push! Harder, foot!
58-62.
Go, Aiden, go! Faster!
Next up, unit 13.